If I miss my workout in the morning, I have to compensate it at 5 or 6 in the evening.
Okay.
What's your workout schedule?
I do 4 days a week. Monday, Tuesday, I rest Wednesday, I do Thursday and Friday.
So
11 to 1.
Okay. I can fit into 11 to 1. Where do you work out from?
Gym and Jogging.
Yes. Yeah, cut it now. That one is a done deal.
What's your favorite parts of your body to work on? Because usually men are into upper body.
When I was young, it was the upper body.
Yeah.
But now it's the lower body.
Okay.
Lower body is so important because that's where all the energy that applies from the upper body comes from.
Yeah.
So of course you can see that I'm now losing on my upper body weight, but I'm gaining a lot of energy in my lower body for purposes of maintaining, being able to carry my weight, being able to be fit.
Yes.
You need, even before you walk to gym, you need the legs. Yeah. So the lower body is so important.
And you see, most people don't understand how important working out is, especially for your mental health.
Exactly.
So perhaps maybe when they hear it from a man like you, they will listen.
I must tell the country that the only way I would have survived the hardships that I've been through in my life, in my music, it has been because I work out. If I wasn't working out, the amount of stress I would have contained or I would have had would have had me dead. Every time I work out and I sweat, I go take my shower, I am extremely fresh, my brain works 10 times faster, I solve more questions after workout, and when I get fatigued, I can't do anything. So that's the difference. So people who don't work out are fatigued.
Yes.
While those who work out, the brain is, actually the science is very simple. The faster the brain, this is what I say. When you work out, blood moves faster. So there's more oxygen going through the brain. So the brain is getting much more oxygen in a short period of time. The more oxygen the brain gets, the more activity, or however much you stress it, it will be able to resolve all your issues. Maybe more Uganda. It's a very important question. Workout ekuyambeetya okujjako stress. Kiri practical. Working out, omusaayi gweyongera okudduka mangu. Buli lwe gudduka amangu, gutambuza oxygen nayingira brain. Buli omusaayi guyingira gulina oxygen, ogufuluma gumuleseemu. Kitegeeza the more oxygen gy'okompilinga mu bwongo, the more obwongo gye bufuna ekyokulya kyabwe kye bayita oxygen, ate ne bukola more better.
Ate ndowooza ekintu ekirala abantu kye batategeera, people that don't work out. The industry that we are in, drugs is a very big problem. But then people don't understand that the feel good they get from drugs is, you can get better feel good from lifting weights, but this is a better feel good.
Actually, you can get a better feel good from looking good. Because when you work out, you look good.
Yeah.
So when you look good,
Speaking about gym, what kind of food do you eat, Bebe?
At my age, of course, I cut down on eating everything. I don't eat red meat, but that's the purpose of gout. But I do have one meal a day. I have it at 4 o'clock, between 3 and 5. I have only 8 windows of snacking, 8-hour window of snacking. I do intermittent fasting 4 times a week, 16 hours. So if I eat my meal at 4, I will have my breakfast at 8 in the morning. Between then, nothing goes in the tummy. But that is now, because the body has started to wear out. But as you're young, you can be allowed and allow yourself to do things so that your body can be able to exercise its right to destroy those things. So I really appreciate the fact that does have these people here, but I also want to ask them some questions. Sure. I don't know what
but there's a to finances Benga omukwaba abantu abali motivating ebibanafa abalala ate nga nabo motivating mbadde twandisa buluzungu naye nogeza kukiza mu Uganda ebibanafa abali kusanyuka TV ndiki financial literacy as a way of maintaining financial stability in your respective fields. What is your take on it?
Pardon?
Your take on financial literacy as a way of maintaining financial stability in your respective fields.
Mu Luganda njagala ekibuuzo ekyo kibuuze ne mu Luganda kubanga bannaffe bali abasanyuka TV. Sijja kuba ekibuuzo kiri very important.
Njagala tutunuulire ku ngeri gy'olabamu ebintu ku magezi g'ofunye mu byenfuna oba ebyensimbi mu ngeri gy'okuumyemu ebyenfuna by'okubanga biri stable obanga biri wamu mu fields mu mitendero emirimu egy'enjawulo egyokola as a minister ng'omuyimbi n'ebirayifanawo ebyo.
Financial literacy kyetwaliise nga onagamba ebyokusoma ku byesente ku byenfuna. Okay? Nti okusoma ku byenfuna kiyamba ky'omuntu kyekyali badde bwe nakitegedde ekibuuzo. Of course okusoma ku byenfuna kiyamba omuntu kubanga omuntu atamanyi atalina idea ku byanfuna tasobola kufuna kyekisookera ddala. Ate ekyokubiri omuntu atalina idea ku byanfuna tasobola kusevinga. Ekyokusatu omuntu atalina idea atategeera byanfuna akola ensobi okulowooza nti okuspendinga oba okufulumya nsobi. Kati waliwo ebyenfuna n'omanya nti waliwo okufulumya n'okuyingiza. So kintu kikulu nnyo omuntu yenna gy'ali okufuba okulaba nti afuna okuyigirizibwa ku byenfuna. So financial literacy is definitely a very important aspect in everyone's life. Of course, I didn't go to school to study it. I used common sense and experience to understand, but I also used my social capital. I know there are several people I used to disturb so much. Aga Sekalala of Radio Simba is the first person who suffered the Bebe Cool disease of financial literacy because he couldn't understand. Then the second person who has suffered that effect is my wife, who's keeping on asking, Moses, you're overspending every day. Singa saving atwali badde tukola kino singa naye ate nga nze ndaba spending yange esobola okukola ki okuleeta. But you need to have some literacy. You need to be doing things intentionally naye nga okikoze nga business ti bwenfulumya nja kufuna naye ekibuuzo ekiriwo onaafuna ddi. Kati awo wali question.
Wow.